Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add text-to-speech to Canva videos. So here, as you can see, we have the video, a man walking in the beach. So basically, if you want to add a text-to-speech, well, basically, we just need to use another application like this voice maker. So make sure to log in your account, and then here, we're going to type any text to convert it into a speech. So for example, thank you for watching. And then we're going to add, please subscribe to our channel. Now here, once done, you just need to scroll down, or here on the right side, you'll find some voice effects and also voice settings that you can customize. And once done, you just have to click on this convert to speech button.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.
So right there, so basically we're going to download this voice here. And once done, go back to your Canva project. And from here, just need to click on uploads. Then go to this audio. And we're going to click on upload files. And basically find that file over here. And then, as you can see, it is now starting to upload that audio. And once done, you can now click that and add to your video.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.
So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And please don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.